always want to make sure that that hole there, or that little dimple for drilling, is done in the proper way, because you put that up there, that's what you want. You don't want this thing shifting all over the place or jumping around. So you want a nice solid starting point. Okay. Okay. I'm going to leave about a 1/2 inch bottom on this right now. One last check. This makes it so much easier to follow that hole down when it's bigger like this. It's however, I never recommend this handheld. Yeah, I'm at the bottom of the hole. I like to mark, as you can see, I like to mark on this thing where I'm going. But as also, it doesn't go down further than the drilled hole. Just, for precautionary measures. I think everything looks pretty good for me to start hollowing. I will start with a HK 75A. Okay, I've taken off as much as I want to right now. I've got 1/2 inch or so, maybe a little more right here. But I'm interested in going down into the bulb. That was a short job for the 75. I will now get starting off with the straight bar, or the very small, or very little bit bar. I'm using a left hand notch blade, and that's because I've got that big hole in there. Okay, I can get away with it there. I've also got about half of this taken out, the initial hole done. So now I'm going to measure where my main body starts, and where the main body ends down at the bottom, and I'm going to put my marks on this. So I'll have right about here and right about here. So I have just that little ways to go in there, giving myself room. Just so I know a little bit better where I am. Doesn't take much to get that thing jumping around in there because of all the chips. See, now when I pull this out, I actually push the tool up against the face over here, especially when it's running. I'm not going to cut anything over here. I just don't want to cut anything as I'm bringing
I've
it
got
out.
about a
So
half inch to go.
the bottom's clean now. So I'll go down there and I'll feel that hole.